My dear learners, I think that you are well. I am also well. I will discuss about narration of changing interrogative and imperative sentence. How to change into indirect narration of interrogative and imperative sentence. Interrogative. WH question. In the earlier class, I discussed the question of interrogative pronoun. Today, I am going to discuss about interrogative adverb. This is interrogative adverb. The interrogative sentence begins with adverb. Reporting verb is changed into asked or inquired of, listener, inverted comma omitted. The subject of the reported space is changed according to the listener or object of the reporting verb. I. This is past indefinite tense. It will be changed into past perfect tense. And this sentence has been changed into assertive form. Relative adverb has not changed. If or whether is not used here. Another sentence is said, how are you? The sentence begins with how. This is also interrogative adverb. How this she watch how she watch. It is assertive sentence from interrogative to assertive. Reported speech is always changed into assertive. Now, interrogative adverb. Now, interrogative adjective. If the reported speech begins with interrogative adjective, adjective. Which book do you want? This is noun. Before noun, interrogative adjective has been used. It is interrogative adjective. He asked me which book. Inverted comma is omitted. Which book? Subject of the reported speech according to the object of the reporting verb I wanted. Assertive sentence and corresponding past tense. This is present indefinite. It has been changed into past indefinite. Another example. Whose pen have you borrowed? Whose pen? This is also interrogative adjective. He asked me whose pen I, present perfect tense, is changed into past perfect tense. Present perfect tense has changed into past perfect tense, corresponding past tense. This is WS question. Now, some other interrogative sentence which expresses request or advised. Though it is interrogative sentence, it expresses request. So, he asked me to give him my pen. This is another sentence. Can you give me your pen? He asked me to give him my pen. This is interrogative sentence expresses offer if the interrogative sentence expresses offer. you. Shall I bring coffee for you? A cup of coffee. A cup of coffee for you. Though it is interrogative sentence, it expresses offer. So, reporting verb is changed into offered. Offered me a cup of tea. This is. Now, imperative sentence. Changing speech of imperative sentence. Do you know what is imperative? Imperative sentence expresses order, command, advice, request, proposal, etc. Imperative. At first, order. If the reported speech expresses order, it will be infinitive phrase in the indirect speech. Do it at once. Reported speech expresses order and the sentence begins with main verb. So, the reporting speech is changed into order. Ordered me. Inverted comma is omitted and to, connector to do it at once. Infinitive phrase. Now, forbid. The reported speech, if the reported speech expresses forbid, sentence begins with do not or don't. Don't quarrel. Forbid. He forbade me. He forbade me. Said to is changed into forbid, or forbid, past tense of forbid. To quarrel. To quarrel. Don't will be omitted. Only to in place of inverted comma. Inverted comma will be omitted and to is used as connector. Now, advised. If the reported speech expresses advice, it is noun form. Read attentively. Read attentively. This is advice. Expresses advice. So, advised me. Advised to. Reported speech is omitted and to is used here to combine the two species. Reporting speech and reported speech. Combined by to read attentively. If the sentence is, if the reported speech is negative, don't. Tell a lie. It also expresses advice, but the sentence is negative. So, advised me not to tell a lie. This is advice. Now, request. If the reported speech expresses request, please give me your pen. It expresses request. So, requested here. Reporting verb is changed into requested. Now, object inverted comma is omitted. To is used here to give him my pen. Kindly may be used or not. Understand? My dear learners, time is over. I will discuss the due part in next class. Thank you very much. No more today.